Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade futures right here in Phemex. So if you want to trade futures, it's not that difficult because you can already see it right here. It's standing there, but you need to know where to find it, because if you go right here to futures, you will find right here perpetuals for coins, copy trading, trading bots, and mock trading. You also find right here Phemex TradFi and on-chain derivatives. And I think the most popular futures options that you need to trade are definitely the mock trading, that is a paper trading option, and the copy trading, because copy trading is a very nice future that you can use and implement on your own risk. But it's a very nice option to copy trade from people that are very profitable. So let's say you go here to mock trading. This is the place where you can demo trade and paper trade from here. So this is also a very good future that you can use. If you go back, and then we go to futures again and we go right here to copy trading, you will find right here the place where you can copy trades from good trading people, and you can search for that right here. So on this step, you need to do your own way, or choose your own way which future you want to use. But this is how you can trade futures right here on Phemex. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.